Hey gangsters, it's Leslie Singh, aka Ghetto Mama. I've been out paying bills today. I'm hungry, naturally the freaking dogs are... Shut up! Oh my god. Anyway, time to do a mukbang. This is what I'm having. This is leftover from Christmas dinner. Today is Friday, and I don't want to waste anything. And it's still good. It's been in the refrigerator. Refrigerator's like around 40 degrees, so it's good. You know, leftovers keep. Tippy, go away. Tippy wants it. Anyway, so this is a chicken patty that I made into chicken parmesan with Prego sauce on it and mozzarella cheese. So that's what I'm having. I really don't know the carb count. I think for the patty itself might be 200 calories. I'm not sure. And I got a piece of ham and the pineapples, a few pineapples. I think this is the last of the ham now. I think there's only one more chicken patty left. But I thought I'd check in and do a mukbang. Tonight I'm going to have a repeat of what I had last night, so I'm probably not going to do a mukbang because you already seen what I had, which is vegetables and that roast. So that's what I'm having tonight. So, you know, kind of boring, unless you just want me to stop in and chit-chat. Well, I got almost all my bills paid except for my cell phone, and because it's Boost, if I pay my phone bill today, it will reset my day where I have to pay it, and I don't want to reset it because it's okay the way it is. Trying to figure out this camera angle. And this plate is hot. I have the baby's blanket here instead of a pillow. Trying to hold this up. And Tippy's being a beggar. But I'm not going to give him any. Because I don't think pineapple is good for dogs. So this weekend I got to go to Walmart. I can't do any grocery shopping, though. Not till my money settles in my bank, because I pay everything with using my online stuff. And because it needs a chance to settle the money, that's what I call it, settling the money, because everything's pending. But that's boring business. You guys don't need to know about that, but I brought it up, though, because I do need to go grocery shopping. I like this. I think I'm going to buy another ham this month coming up. Dr. Phil's on. Some of the people on the Dr. Phil show, I think they need more help than Dr. Phil can give. But anyway, I just wanted to check in with you and show you what I was eating. And say hi. So I'm going to let you go, and I will talk to you later.